these challenges. I've been playing some Ghosty recently, though, and that's been very fun. Okay. Actually, I am going to, like... No, because I don't want to block my... It's maybe we can, like, shrink ourselves down just a little... Nope, that just did that. Okay. I should, like... messed with this off... off stream. I think this is fine right here. Actually, I want to move all of us down to, like, the middle part. There we go. That's fine. That's fine right there. Also, we got a lot of fucking blood points, dude. Really, kid? That's funny. Dude, people are just, like, waiting for, like, the event on June 7th, probably. They're like, I don't want to play, I don't want to do anything. But honestly, it should be logging on because you get daily requests and shit. Or daily, points now. We'll get, Repressed Alliance. Just unlock that for everybody. Big project. We gotta get the cake, dude. Oh, we want the damage photo because I actually really like Ormond. Because that's like the ice place, right? I really like this map, dude. I really fucking love this map. We'll grab the flashlight. And sure, we'll grab that. Yo, Foster! When was the last time I drank soda? It was actually 2 days ago, Foster, because I had a Dr. Pepper on my flight back here. Foster, thank you so much for 16 months, dude. Can we get some fucking love jaunt in chat for Foster, dude? Thank you so much, homie. Hope you're having a great day. Let's fucking go, dude. Getting close to the Piplup, dude. Getting close to the Piplup badge. Killer loaded. Let's fucking go, dude. Foster, when was the last time you drank a soda? Oh, Foster, are you asking me because, like, I went on a super huge, like, soda hiatus for a long time? Guys, back in, 2012. Or, no, it was like 2011. I didn't drink soda for, like, 2 or 3 years just because, like, I was trying to be healthy and stuff. And now I feel like... No, I actually didn't drink soda until, like, 2017. I went from 2011 to 2017 just not drinking soda at all. It was pretty nice. I mean, all I did was just drink sweet tea instead, so... Gosh gamer, dude. Gosh gamer. What else do I want to grab here? I don't fucking know, dude. I'll just start grabbing that shit. What is this one? Being sent to the Pren Asylum. I don't know what that is. Let's look at our loadout right here. So we're definitely gonna have small game because we want to grab some totems. But there are a few I like. What's your favorite soda, Matt Stone? Couldn't tell you about soda. Foster, you fucking love energy drink, bro. Energy drink? Kind of dog. Definitely not dog, though. To me, they are dog, but I understand to some people they are pog. Root beer and ginger ale. Long distance handshake emoji. Me and Matt Stone loving root beer, dude. I like root beer because it's not caffeinated. I don't need any extra caffeine in me, dude. I just love root beer. Ginger ale, I don't think I've had a ginger ale in a long time, but like root beer and Dr. Pepper are like pog. Oh wait, also I want to play as Bill because it said I set my title. Did you guys like my title? The Bill main has logged on. Off cough. I thought it was hilarious. I thought it was so funny. Haha. Well, actually, we won't play as Bill yet because, like... Oh, right. No, we can't play as Bill yet because we don't have small game on him, and we're really trying to cleanse totems. Bill mains? What do you mean, dude? Bill mains are the best players around. No cap. No cap, dude. They're so good this game. Any and all Bill mains are so good this game, you can't tell me otherwise. You cannot tell me otherwise, bro. Hot pickles to the... Oh, that's really cool, Matt Stone. That's awesome. Yo, hot pickles, pog, dude. Also, peanuts are pog. Cheryl mains are best. What can I say? I'm a young Min main. I'm a Cheryl main. I'm a Bill main, dude. Bill main most importantly, though. Bill main most importantly. Okay, let's see where the Pren Asylum is. I like burning these offerings. I don't like looking them up. I like it being kind of like a surprise, you know? Yo, hop up in chat in case anybody wants that. Exclamation mark Poke Catch. If you want to grab that shit. Oh, also, guys, we got a new Turtwig plushie. Look at this guy. I got him from Japan today. He's winking at you. Isn't he so cute? Look at him. He kind of just like lays down, but he's like winking at you. This is the most recent one. Little winking lad. Very, very adorable. Piplup, get the fuck back up here. Oh, by the way, guys, today's the last day for the Turtwig Troop versus Piplup Platoon battle. I think Turtwig Troop, you can go check the points on the Discord, exclamation mark Discord. Yeah, the Turtwig Troop, dude, they are doing well and are in a mighty lead. So unless the Piplup Platoon comes in hard today, dude, I think Turtwig Troop is sitting pretty. All right, Disturbed Ward. Ah, this is what it is. Okay. Cool. Oh, fuck. Are they? Oh, fuck! Ooh, slam it down. Okay, this is not a good start, but we're just gonna get the fuck out dodge. Okay, we're just gonna try dodging. Fuck. Fuck! Jump! Damn it. Yeah, that wasn't good. Okay, there's a healing totem over there. Yo, Madsen redeeming all the Team Turtwig just for the insurance. You gotta respect it, dude. Fuck yeah. Fuck, we can jump up there. Oh, he's on my ass, dude. We're gonna slam that down. He's gonna break through that. That's fine. We'll hop down here. The pallet right here. Fuck. Slam it down! Gonna break that shit. Okay, perfect. Oh, fuck, I got stuck on a tree! Oh, he five-headed me. I didn't know where he was. I didn't see. Dude, the tree betrayed us. Hold on, we're gonna try to crawl away from... Oh, I kind of led them to all the homies. I kind of feel bad. Oh, he sabotaged it though. Okay, perfect. Also, shout to Bow Jobs. What a great name. We do have Unbreakable, so like, how crazy it's gonna pick me up, but maybe. Fuck. I'm not landing the sweet spot, dude. Damn it. Fucking, what's your name? I forget. It's like, it starts with a B or some shit. Billy, Bobby, Billy Boy. Also, first for the Turtwig Troop. Let's fucking go, dude. Wait, why would you hit me, you bitch? Bro, he's gonna see you. You fucking... Can somebody grab me, please? What's happening here? This is not a good start. Guys, this is... Every time you see that hook go in, it's pretty brutal. Oh, Bill's healing right... Also, this guy's just straight up camping me, by the way. Guys. Oh my god, I'm about to, like... Okay, oh, fuck, dude. You guys gotta heal, and then you just gotta, like... This fucking bitch, dude. The visceral as fuck. For real, dude. Somebody heal themselves and just grab me, please, dude. Okay, we gotta go. Run! Oh my god, this bitch, dude. Also, he snuffed out the fucking healing code. Bro, we need to go, Bill. Bill, we cannot stay here. Okay, we'll heal right here. Let me heal you. Oh, thank you, Dark Flame. Oh, yeah, the hook is very brutal, Madsen. I agree. Imagine that happening to you IRL, you would just be fucking dead. Like, it's literally like, it's almost straight through your fucking heart. Almost. Oh, nice. You are almost all the way healed up already. Let's fucking go. Alright, we gotta find these totems. Okay, it's over here. Oh, there it is. Perfect. This smells like Noah, dude. I swear, this person is just fucking camping. It's lodged on the collarbone too? Yeah, dude. It's like, it's fucking brutal. Oh my god, this guy's just straight up camping. I feel so bad for this homie. We're gonna try healer though. Or we're gonna try saver because I'm that kind of person. You gotta be sneaky though. Shout out to Kindred being a fucking lifesaver, by the way. Do now. You have Kindred, be free! Or you have borrowed time, Lamel. You're going back to Survivor? What happened, Yeet? You were just fuck this? Dude. Heck this guy for just camping. This little bitch, ja. I shouldn't. Yeah, literally, being a little bitch, ja, dude. Honestly, I'm just gonna struggle while the other survivors can just like, I'm gonna waste this killer's time, dude. Don't say from face controls instead of killer getting one kill they get two. But I have borrowed time, so that's why I did it. You got violated by the survivors? Oh no, dude. Dude, don't do it. Don't fucking try to save me. Don't do it. You're crazy. You're crazy. I'm fucking dead, dude. Fuck, dude. You shouldn't have bow jobs. Alright, well, this is a great first start. This is a great first start. Oh, God. Bro. You know what? We got one. Camping Bubba, dude, you know, I got camped the fuck out. The Bubba was camping a survivor, and I could not let that happen. I had borrowed time, so I saved them. I sacrificed my life, but then they were stupid and tried to save me when they're already injured. They have borrowed time? Let's see. Who's the person that just saved me? Was it Dark Flame? I think it was. They also, yeah. Let's go back and see. No, this is a Bow Jobs. What's Bow Jobs have? Oh, they don't have. Why are you trying to save me? Oh my god. Bow Jobs. I'm sorry. You're fucking boned, though. At least, like, they're getting, like, generators done, though. I hope they fucking win. You know, by the way, I hope you're having a great day today. I saw you in watching Oz for a little bit. I really liked watching him play Demogorgon because he was like on top of a hill and he used the dash to go really far. I thought that was really cool. Yeah, dude, it was pretty sick. The Bill snipe, dude, it was so funny. The fucking hatch opening right in front of him is so great. It's so great. Yeet, I think I'm gonna play Killer. I don't know, I'm just vibing with playing Killer right now. But if I go back to the Survivor, we should definitely group up. Probably no comms or anything like that, but just like playing, you know? You're in a bush now? Why are you in a bush? I just want to see how this plays out. Also, Hex Yo Mom is a really funny name, by the way. You know, it's like your name. But Yo Mom. Fucking rip. Big rip. What's the Bill doing? Bill, what the fuck are you doing? Just vibing. Oh, were you really? Yeet? Big Ripja. Big Ripja. Bill. Why are Bill mains like this? Why? Why do they disrespect the Bill name? Yeah, he coughs a little, but he's not that bad. He's fucking terrible. Why? Okay, I'm just leaving this fucking atrocity that I just witnessed, dude. What the fuck was that? What did we just watch, guys? What did we just watch? We watched a Bill main doing Bill things. Oh god, I gotta breathe. You know what, guys? You know fucking what? Bill mains have been disrespected too fucking long. Hold on. Everyone, Bill mains. Who are they? What do they do? Bill mains, they suck at this game. I don't know why, but they fucking suck. This old man right here, this guy, he coughs a fucking lot. And I don't know why this guy coughs. Why does he do it? Why is he so fucking loud when he coughs? And I'll tell you why. It's because Bill mains have a secret potential. And it needs to be unlocked. Bill mains across the world need to learn on how to be better at this game. And me, as a Bill main, needs to teach every single fucking Bill main a lesson. And so, therefore, I will be playing Bill for the rest of the day. Yes, that's right, for the rest of the day, until we can prove that Bill mains are the strongest players of all the fucking DBD characters on there. There's a reason why Bill was listed as a difficult, very hard character to play as before they removed the difficulty setting, but don't worry about that. Don't worry about them removing the difficulty setting, because it doesn't matter. We will be the best Bill main ever on DBD. Let's play Bill. let's play Bill. Let me move myself back over here. There we go. Perfect. He's lost his mind? What do you mean? I've now lost my mind. I'm proving a point. That Bill mains can be Pogja. Okay? Alright? That's all I have to say. They're fucking Pogja. Bill! Nate, do you know anything about Dead by Daylight at all? Why do I have Dark Sense, dude? Wait, can I grab something else other than Dark Sense? Resilience. Oh wait, that's fucking great. Resilience is a really good perk. Oh really, Nate? Dude, it's really fun. Eno has got me into it, and I fucking love it. We need to get small game back. But we won't worry about that right now. Resilience is so good. Seems like it. We're gonna go for it. $2018? Holy shit, dude. Isn't it crazy this game came out in 2016, dude? It's kind of an old game. Alright, let's ready up. Who we got? We got Gina the Bean. Man, like Ash, and Flash Reloaded. Alright, let's ready up and see how it goes. Oh no, Mastodon, you could go back in the VOD and reclip it if you want to. Vault speed power, dude, they'll be fucking sick. Is this just like a perk that's given to all survivors? That's fucking crazy. You don't even have to unlock it. Thank you for the clip though, Mastodon, I appreciate you. A great name for the title, by the way. Electric Boogaloo, dude. Amazing. Incredible. Alright. We're playing as Bill. We're prestiged once, by the way. That's how you know I'm a good Bill main. Okay? Because I got the bloody jacket. That's how we know. That's how you know I'm a gosh gamer. Coldwind Farm. Is that where we're going? Oh, we're going against a trickster. Where's Glasses? Machek, Glasses? Glasses, it's your homie. Dude, we got that. Sheesh, that Bill drip. Trickster's a rare comedy. In these parts. Yeehaw, Keiko, and a clap. So we just gotta dodge the fucking knives and shit. Ew, Bill? What do you mean, ew, Bill? Yeah, ew, Bill. Ew, Bill. I cannot say you and Bill right next to each other for some reason. Guys, did you know survivors vault more quickly through a window? It's crazy. You just don't like Bills, dude? I can understand why, because players give Bill such a bad name, man. They do such... I literally saw a Bill today. We literally saw a Bill try to pick a survivor off, but then fucking Chainsaw Man just ripped him off. And killed both of them. You like Cheryl's? Dude, Cheryl's pretty great. Also, I'm like, it's hard getting used to playing the PC version when I played the mobile app of DBD all last week. And so whenever I pop into a game, I'm like, whoa, this is fucking weird for a second. Also, we gotta make sure that we work on staying out of the line of sight of Trickster. Cheryl looks like you IRL? Hell yeah. That's so cute. Oh my god, you brought him right to me. Okay, we're gonna get the fuck out of here. We're just gonna get the fuck out. We're gonna walk. Okay, then we're gonna run. We're just gonna run this way. Run to the opposite side where we can work on a different generator. Oh, someone else is already working on this. Hello, friend. I'm here to help, Smile. Oh shit. David getting hit with the knives. Yo, what's up, Dom? Hope you're having a very positive day. Good to see you. Oh, they got that one done. Let's fucking go. Okay. Let's spread out. Uh-oh. Never mind. We're not going that way. We're gonna try spread out. Not trying to 3-gen ourselves here. You trickster? Bro, what is you about the trickster? He's handsome as fuck. They're beautiful. Oh, there's a horse girl right there. Meg? No, it's not Meg. I forget her name. Relaxing before sleep at the moment? Nice, dude. Well, hey, I'm glad you're treating yourself too with a sleep joke. Or you're just like relaxing. That's good. Treat yourself, dude. Uh-oh. I have a feeling I should get out of here, Smile. There they go. Okay, we're gonna run over here. We're gonna hook him right there, probably. Wait, oh, right over there. Oh man. Okay, they're probably gonna go inside the house and beat up that gen. Oh fuck, he just hit the locker. Where the fuck is he? Oh, there he is. Yep. Oh, there he is. Just saw him run over there. Oh, what the fuck? He got out? I didn't even see. Okay, we're gonna touch this gen. And honestly, it's just like... Yeah. Okay, we're okay. We're okay. We're gonna keep working on this. He did his first 20-mile ride? What the fuck, dude? That's awesome. Big congrats to Derek. Also, 2 people got downed at once. I don't know how the fuck that happened, but that person's already fucking dead. Holy shit. Get fucking zoned in, dude. Get coming. Watching some stuff online. It's 10 p.m. here. Nice, dude. Your pins came in to get the time. Maximum, I don't know if you know, the sun is in different places right now. Not just on us, but also on other people in different parts of the world. Gosh, take it, that's good. Okay. We activate that. Where are they gonna hook him? Right over there? Okay. I don't know if they're gonna come over here. Okay, they're checking that one. Oh fuck, oh fuck. Don't show yourself. I hope he didn't see us. Oh fuck, he's up on that hill. They're trying to like scout out. Cannot let him see us. He's kind of camping him, honestly. Oh, never mind. He just fucking saved that girl. Alright, cool. Well, let's get to work on... Oh, fuck. Okay, we're gonna go this way, and we're gonna start working on this gen. It's kind of close to where he's at, but, like, I want to touch it and kind of, like, stop the regression. You gotta stop that crazy talk? Oh my god, dude. You darn Americans with your crazy talk. Take on the clap. Okay, I think she's gonna try to rescue the homie, so we're gonna run over here. I don't think we have 3 gen ourselves. I don't think we have. Because there's a generator over here. Yeah, right here. I'm hoping Gina is trying to save. But if, like... If I don't see the homie... Oh, there we go. Nice. Good job, good job. Save the Claudette. You have proof it is night there, dude? Fake news. Kappa B. Oh my god, dude. You got so old, Claudette. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry, Claudette. Oh, they're like distracting them. Hold on. Maybe we can save them. Oh my god, but no, they're like, oh no, guys. Oh no. Guys! Okay. Wait, what's that skull mean? Exposed? Starstruck? Fuck. I forgot about Starstruck. Okay, well, we should have kept working on the generator, is what I've learned from this. Uh-oh. Okay. Alright. So what? We should try to rescue her in this situation, right? I don't know what to do. I'm gonna try to rescue her. Because that's what Bill Main would do. We gotta prove them wrong on how pog we are. On how great of a Bill Main we are. Fuck. Fuck! No, he's right there! Oh, I messed up! All my bill main, all my bill main, all my bill main. Serpentine, serpentine, serpentine. Save them, save them. Get down. Be free. Okay, maybe it wasn't such a good idea. We have Unbreakable, though. We have Unbreakable, so we're just gonna crawl over here into the corner. Oh my god, I think they're chasing. They're chasing. Okay, we start recovering. We start recovering, and then, like, she's probably dead, and so we gotta run away, heal ourselves, and then find Hatch, because there's no way we can rescue. Bills would rescue, but fail like you did? Okay, look, you don't have to call me out like that, dude. I'm just saying. But you are correct. Fuck. No, he found me! I was so close! I was so close! Oh, I'm so sad. Oh, I'm so sad. We shouldn't have done it. Okay, I'm learning, though. I'm learning that was a bad decision, and I'm not going to do that next time. Until my FOV, yeah, it kind of fucked me, huh? Alright, well, we gotta try to escape. Escape! Dude, someday I will get my 4%. To me, you look like a pro. I appreciate that, buddy. Thank you, thank you. Alright, well, we're dead. GG. I panicked, and I went to save her when really I should have stayed on the gen, and I really should try to find Hatch instead. But hey. I wanted to... Yeah, that's why that... All came according to plan, actually. We will say RGG. We'll see what the killer had. They had Deerstalker. That's how they knew immediately where we were. No, oh, they had no way out too. Starstruck. Halo would become exposed. The effect persists with their second on Starrise who will leave your terror radius, as well as those within the radius, right? And they had Iron Grasp too. There's no fucking hope. We learned exactly. We didn't lose. We fucking learned. We learned so much during that match. Is to just don't save your friends. Save yourself. Save yourself. Wait, Dom, you've only played this game one time, dude. I love this game. This game's so much fun. I highly recommend it to people, though it is kind of hard to get into at first because there are so many perks, so many killers. But honestly, if you guys have any questions, I can try to help to answer them, though I cannot guarantee that I'll answer them correctly. But I can certainly try my best. See a lot of the community play it? Yes, dude. Glasses wanted to play it, and then like it all like spread out to everybody. If I'm playing Survivor again, may you join? Absolutely, dude. Let me send you an invite. Where are you at? Where are you at? Requests? Gamersol. I don't even know who you are. I don't see you online. Am I appearing offline? I'm not. You need to find a sensei. Honestly, just like watching Glasses. Honestly, Dom, you would probably learn a lot from watching. I don't know how late you can stay up for Glasses' late night DBD streams on Saturdays, but I'm probably gonna be playing there with Glasses, and like we usually play with Eno. I don't know if Eno will be able to play the Saturday night, but a lot of us like we play together and we learn as we go, dude. Please, you're on. Okay, no, you're good, dude. You're good. I got you, homie. Heyo, there's E-Kid. As the Cheryl. Sheesh, dude. Nice. So you should be there? Yeah, dude. Dom, if you really want to, like, learn how to play this game and stuff, I highly recommend Otsdarva. Which is, this is their username right here. Highly recommend, you go watch them, because they're a great content creator. Yo, and Pope, you're doing well today. How much for a song request? No songs on me, I'm sorry. I want to get DMCA'd. But I hope you're having a great day. Good to see you. But yeah, Dom, if you want to learn about DVD, and you think you would have fun with it, watch Otsdarva. Oh, I should probably ready up, Tom. Also, just watch us play. And honestly, that's how I learn a lot, is just by watching other people play. And I'll honestly, I'll take notes for myself just because, like, if I really enjoy a game, I will actually take notes because, like, my dumbass will fucking forget. You subbed? Nice, dude. I think they also stream on Twitch. I think Otz is actually streaming right now. If you want to go, he's doing a oh! Yeet, you have to do me a favor. I know it may be a little bit taboo. Would you play Bill? Would you play Bill for me so we could have a full built? No, they swapped. Never mind. Never mind. I'm trying to convince him. Try and convince him and do Bill. Come on, man. You're not gonna do it? Okay, they're not gonna do it. Yoichi, come on, man. God dang it. Okay, they're not doing it. Fuck me, dude. That was gonna be so funny. This is not a good match? What do you mean, Yeet? What do you mean? Saw's still the man, though. Like the Saw movies? Otz is good, but his ranking of Sadako is deplorable. I do know you like Sadako a lot. Yeet, but, yeah, Yeet, fucking Sadako. Last time I went against a Sadako was against you, Yeet. I haven't gone against a Sadako since. I would have if they didn't switch, yeah. I appreciate you. You would be willing to play as Bill, but that would have been so great. You need to look at Evil Dead, dude. Otz Darva also played some Evil Dead on his YouTube channel. That game looks super fun. Also been watching Moon Moon, who's another great Twitch streamer. One of the big like Twitch streamers. He was playing Evil Dead recently, and bro, that game looks a lot of fun. But yeah. Oh, we don't even know who we're going against here. Yeah, Sadako, dude. Sadako's scary. Especially when you don't put the tape into the thing, and you just carry a fucking tape around with you like an idiot. Oh shit, yeehaw everybody, we're at the saloon. Keiko and a clap. Hell yeah, brother. Well, let's see who we're going against here. Fuck. Oh my god, it's the fucking doctor. Okay. We decide to punch the fucking thing. But we gotta get out. Because the doctor's gonna be heading this way. Oh, fuck. There he is. Fuck, he's gonna, like... Alright, this is where we start looping. Okay, he's gonna punch that. That's fine. We'll go up into the building now. Where'd he go? Oh, we lost him, dude! Let's go! Good shit, ya, dude. I think that's the first time I've ever, like... It's been a long time coming since I've escaped. An actual fucking thing. Let's start working on this. Big Pogja, dude. Maybe we should work on the center ones? I don't know, dude. The gallows is, like, fucking risky. This one's already halfway done, so we'll start working on this. We'll just keep working on this. Twig, Yeet? Are you staying alive? I see you're injured. You can do this, though. I believe in you, Yeet. Just don't die, forehead. I don't see Doctor. No doctors to be seen. Got a little bit of static on us, but we're doing good. And if we do see a totem, we need to try to take it out for our challenge. Oh, fuck! He was on us, dude! Maybe I shouldn't have fast vaulted there. Yeah, that was a bad decision because he heard it. Fuck me. Fuck! I got stuck on a cactus. Stop a cactus. Oh, Bill, I'm so sorry. I led him right to you. Nope, he's still on my Astra, dude. Where's he going? Where's he going? Fuck! I'm stuck! I'm stuck! There's a door here! We gotta go! Dude, why is there a door there? What the heck? Why was there a door? Oh, what the fuck? What was that that thing? Dude, he lost to me. He lost to me, Matt Stone. I didn't lose him, he lost to me. He kid is down in the ditch. Is someone being chased? I don't think so. Is Bill being chased right now? Hold on, maybe we can get Yeet Kid up. Nope, nope. Doctor's somewhere nearby. Oh, and they just messed that up. Hold on, we're gonna see if we can save Yeet. No, where's the doctor at? Oh my god, he's right there. Yeet, I'm so sorry. Oh my god, are you hiding from him? Yeet, are you slowly crawling away from the doctor? Oh my god. Dude. I want to save Yeet. I want to save Yeet. I'm going for it. Yeet, I'll save you. Oh god, there's the doctor right there. Yeet, I may have to leave you. Okay, okay. Let's go. Yeet, I'm saving you, homie. We're gonna get you out of this. Run! Bro, no. No, we gotta go. We can't stay here. Oh, Yeet, I'm so sorry, dude. We should have ran away a little bit further. Yeet is cracked, dude. I agree. Oh, that one's already fixed. Fuck. Good job, good job. Okay, I'm gonna get to work on the gallows. God dang it. We are on our second stage of being crazy mode. Okay, Doctor sees us. We're just gonna run this way. Actually, let's save Yeet. Oh, never mind. They already saved him. Nice. Okay, let's go in here. Let's go in here. I'll heal you guys. I'll be your friend. I'll be your best friend. Oh, come on, dude. Let me heal you. Wait, did he hear us? Guys, what if we got stuck in here? What if he just body blocked us and we were stuck in here? That'd be so funny. What's the crazy mode thing? So essentially he can static shock us on Matt Stone, and there's 3 levels of going crazy static mode. On the first level, like you're okay. The second level, your quick time events will be kind of fucky, and then the third one, you have to snap out of it, or else you're just gonna be like totally incapacitated. Not incapacitated, but like it does mess with you a lot. And it's best to just try to snap out of it as soon as possible in the 3rd stage. Okay, hold on. We gotta try to save Yeet Kid because the other homie is being chased right now. Oh, never mind. The other Bill's got him. Okay, we just gotta get one more. We just gotta get one more gen, y'all. I'm gonna work on this shit. While the others are distracting him. Oh my god, don't leave him over here, dude! God dang, he's gonna shock us. Are you coming up here? No, I don't think you are. But see, now we're in the 3rd stage, so now we gotta try to snap out of it. Nobody's coming up here. We gotta go. Fuck! Oh, my pushkin, no. Oh, guy has Sloppy Butcher as well, I think. Don't come over here. Okay, we're good. We're good. Okay, we're good. don't know where he went. We're all fucking injured. I don't know where anybody is. So I'm just gonna try to work on this shit. I'm also gonna like hide right here. And maybe he won't see me as easily. Here's Yoichi. We're just gonna try to get this shit done. Where is he? Where is he? I don't see him. Alright, uh-oh. Coming up here? No, he isn't. Big Pog. Oh, you fool. You shouldn't have checked that one. I'm gonna get this one done. Lamau. Fucking go. Oh, that like drops you down when you repair it. That's so funny. Oh no. Luigi, no! Cracked, dude. We're doing well, we're doing well. Oh fuck, actually, you may go check the doors over here. No, I don't think so, not yet. We're gonna keep working on the door. A Honedge in chat. That's what he deserves for not being a Bill. True. Okay, we're gonna go and open this shit. Run, everybody! Get the fuck out! I didn't mean to leave, Holy. I kind of want to heal. Okay, hold on, hold on. I want to spectate, I want to spectate. I want to spectate the homies. Oh my god, you guys are just... You guys are trolling the doctor? Why? Oh my... Yeet kid, you're fucked! No, he's gonna grab you! Or is it gonna be nice? Oh my god, Yeet kid, no! You should have fucked with him, dude! No, Yeet kid! Hold on, I'm gonna lower down y'all's volume a little bit because it seems a little bit loud. Nice. Big ripja to Yeet kid. But hey, we survived. We lived as a Bill. Never happened on DVD, so let's fucking go, dude. What they had. They did have Sloppy Butcher. I'm getting better at like calling out what perks they have or recognizing. They did have Iron Grasp. Overcharge. What's this, dude? You're fueled by your hate for progress. Overcharge a generator by performing the damage generator. Next survivor interacting with that generator is faced with tremendously difficult... Oh, that's what happened to us! That makes sense. That's Overcharge, and that's a doctor perk. Okay. Good to know. And Bitter Murmur makes it so whenever a generator is fully repaired, survivors within 50 meters to complete generator will be revealed. Okay, cool. GG.